Hey Salas, and welcome back to my channel, and a happy new year to every one of you. If you haven't subscribed, please join the fam band. Know that it is optional, but we have a goal here at Salas. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. It's not a very big goal, but we can do it. We can do it. Anyways, as you can see by the title, this is a mostly NYX video. I picked up a few things from NYX a couple of months ago. Honestly, this has been sitting on my vanity, I would say, for at least 3 months. I picked up the NYX Total Coverage Foundation. I am so excited about it. If you guys don't know, this is what it looks like. It's tinier than what I thought it would look like. And this is in the shade Deep Espresso. I believe this is the last shade. Thank you, NYX, because they have a lot of shade ranges in this particular foundation, you know. I also picked up some glitter. I picked up the Total Coverage Got You Covered concealer, but it's pretty close to my skin tone, if you guys can see that at all in the camera. I actually want to try this as a foundation, to be honest, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna also try other new stuff in this video, including the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. She came out with 4 little tiny palettes. They're basically, it looks smaller in the pan, but they're the same size as her actual palettes that she has. This one is in the Mauve Obsessions, and it looks like so. It's really pretty. I don't know what look I'm going for, and I'm gonna try to do a mostly NYX look. Alright, I don't have any NYX eyebrow stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. And I'm back, guys. I don't really know what look I'm going for, but we're gonna be using the Obsessions palette right here. It has some really beautiful burgundy. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe M441. These are, I think, natural hair bristles. I really like her shadows. These are pretty. I'm gonna grab my Luxie 229 brush. I'm gonna go into, very powdery, this dark shade right here. So I want to create a little cut crease. I'm going to take my Colourpop concealer in the shade Deep 70. I'm going to first go into this shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to spray my thing with a little bit of my e.l.f. spray. First thought, I am not loving the shimmer shade. I don't know if it's just really chunky. Okay, so that's what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade as well in the corner. You know, they look so beautiful, but they don't translate as such. I mean, it's pretty. Giving you some color. And as you can see, it's very sharp, so I need to blend the edges. I'm gonna go in with this color again with my fluffy brushes, and I'm gonna blend that into the edges. This is very pretty, but I want to take it up a notch. So I have my NYX glitter glue. So I'm gonna take the copper shade and take off the little sifter. Okay, so we're gonna take a little bit of the NYX glitter glue. We're gonna apply it to the center over everything we just did, basically. I know, y'all. And then immediately after that, I'm actually gonna use my hands. I'm gonna take the glitter with my finger and press it on top of that. Oh, so pretty. This is my first time ever, you guys, using a NYX glitter. Isn't that funny? And going into my inner corner a bit on both ends. You definitely want to do your eyes first because this is messy. Alright guys, I'm taking my L'Oreal liner in Blackest Black and I'm going to create a wing with that. Alright guys, so I went ahead and popped on some lashes. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies. You guys know I love this. I'm also popping on some mascara. This is the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Let's get on to the face. This is going to be really weird, but my aunt sent this Nivea cream from Germany, and it's literally written in like German or whatever, but it is Nivea, and I'm going to use that to prime my face. Now the reason why I'm using this is because literally I put it on my hand. Well, I think I put too much. It got super tacky to the touch, and I think honestly it's gonna help my foundation stick longer, and it's gonna give me hydration that I need. I found that the Coty Airspun is the best for this step, and I'm only gonna set like my T-zone. Yes, I know I'm gonna look crazy. This powder smells so good. If you don't like baby powder smell, you're gonna hate this. I know. I learned this from Savannah Silver, using this powder for this step. And honestly guys, it saves me a lot of money because the Coty Airspun is only $5 from Walmart. Screenshot here. And let's see what the claim is. With just a few drops, our total control drop foundation delivers sheer to full coverage and a velvety matte finish. Simply adjust with the number of drops you use until the desired level of coverage is achieved. So basically, more drops equals more coverage. Alright, so we're gonna take the NYX total coverage, and it's so like 1 drop equals sheer coverage. We're going for 4 drops because why not? So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna drop 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was a couple, but I saw somebody use this and they went in. So I'm gonna go in, and hopefully this is a good shade match. I'm gonna take the bottom of my beauty blender and we're gonna go in. I'm just gonna press this into my skin. And I always start from the bottom of my face so I can blend everything downward. Guys, this coverage and this eye look, like, okay, we're gonna go in for concealer with our Colourpop no filter concealer in the shade 75. I really hope they add a few more shades to this, but I picked up a backup and it's en route to me because Colourpop was having a 40% sale and I could not. Okay, so this is the Perfect Matte Lipstick. This is from Black Radiance. This is like a brown shade, and I don't know what color it is, but I like this too. If it's not gonna contour today, you're not gonna be clocking out early. I usually like this to contour a little bit. I'm gonna put this all around. So I'm going to turn my beauty blender over and go in and blend my concealer. Okay, so now that that is setting, I also wet my Pure sponge. I'm going to use that to set my face. Today, I'm going back to an oldie but a goodie. I'm taking my RCMA No Color powder. This is literally the best powder. I think the best, and I'm gonna start using it a lot more. And my Pure sponge is wet because yeah, I just really want a flawless finish. Okay, and while we have that powder sitting, we're just gonna let us see it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the bottom of my eye. I'm gonna take this shade right here in the palette. So pretty. These don't have names on it, but that doesn't really bother me much. I'm gonna take this shade right here on the outsides of it, kind of to blend it a bit more. And then I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna tight line and put that deeper shade in here. I'm just gonna take a cool black eyeliner and I'm gonna pat that into my waterline. Yeah, see, I really need that effect right there, and then we can blend it out. Yeah, I like what that's looking like. I'm gonna take that deeper shade right here. I'm gonna use that to kind of blend it into that burgundy. And we're gonna take this color right here, gonna pop it into that inner corner. On its own, it's kind of like an iridescent purple. It's really cool. It's pretty in the inner corner. Okay guys, to set our contour, I have the Benai powder in Mojave. I put it in this little compact right here because it comes in that little sifter and it just doesn't allow me enough coverage, but it's a pretty dark shade. It's basically my face color, and I'm just gonna put that all over to kind of set that contour that we had. Alright, so for blush, I really want to do like a purpley brush. I went ahead and grabbed my Coastal Scents color in the shade Passionate. You guys know Coastal Scents makes the best blushes, like literally the best blushes. Like, look at this, look at this. Oh, look at this, baby. Alright, now I'm going to set my face. I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. spray. Alright guys, so for highlighter, I have been loving the Dew Drop from loose highlighters from Colourpop. So I got the Jackie Aina highlighter in Le Bronze, and when that comes, I really want to compare it to this because I feel like they're pretty good dupes for each other. So we'll see. I'm gonna put this on so you can. I'm gonna take Colourpop in the shade Suki. You want to do that? That looks pretty good. What is this? Is this their Ultra Glossy? This is their Ultra Glossy. I don't know if I've used their Ultra Glossy formula before. Ooh. This is so comfortable. Oh, Colourpop. I've been sleeping on you a little bit. I've been back. I wasn't going to do slow motion, but
that's good.
Alright guys, so that's it. That's the final look. Thank you guys so much for staying with me. I am so impressed with the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. The mattes in here. The NYX Total Coverage Foundation. Wow. I love the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip. I've had a couple of glossy lips in my possessions, but you guys know I have 100 lipsticks and I've never given it a shot. And so I am so glad that I actually put one on my lip today because I love it. The Colourpop. This is in the shade Dew Drop, their highlighter. What you say? What? What? My highlighter is blinded? What? Yeah, that's it. That's it. I ain't got nothing else to say. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see you guys on the next one.